Welcome to B4NVEST. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an investment portfolio using our platform's efficient frontier algorithm. Discover how to compare stocks, explore unique investment opportunities, and maximize your returns. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the platform and set up your investment profile. To begin, go to our website at www.b4NVEST.com. Once you're on the platform, we'll set up your investment profile. To start, click on the Begin Here button. Next, we'll answer the first question. Do you have a specific time frame in mind for when you might need to access your invested funds? We recommend long-term investments, meaning more than 1 to 3 years, as this can help reduce the impact of market volatility and risk, leading to higher long-term gains. If you prefer to keep your money for a shorter period, there is a higher risk of volatility in your investments. To counter this, we will later recommend investing in bonds, ETFs, and diversifying more to reduce this risk. After selecting the option that best suits your needs and goals, click the Continue button located at the top right of the questionnaire. The next question is, what is your risk tolerance? How much short-term loss are you okay with? 0 to 30%. It's important to understand that higher risk comes with higher potential gains, and lower risk comes with smaller gains. Knowing your risk tolerance will allow B4NVEST to analyze your investment portfolio and give you the best options. After selecting the option that best suits your needs and goals, click the Continue button again. Next, let's define how much you expect to earn in the next 12 months. What percentage growth do you hope to see on your portfolio? If you seek higher returns, you may need to take on higher risks. Stocks with higher returns often come from high-growth sectors like technology or small companies with good development potential. Remember, higher returns imply higher risk. After selecting your preferred option, click the Continue button. Now, choose the type of account. In the United States, a taxable account is a basic account where you must pay taxes on each sale of a stock in which you earn money. On the other hand, an IRA account is a retirement account only applicable to U.S. citizens. If you are not from the United States or this account is not for retirement, we recommend choosing a taxable account. After selecting the appropriate option for you, click the Continue button again. Finally, how do you prefer to grow your investment portfolio? Here you have two main options: dividends or stock price appreciation. Dividends are periodic payments that some companies make to their shareholders, which is like receiving a portion of the company's profits just for holding their shares. On the other hand, stock price appreciation refers to buying shares at one price and then selling them at a higher price. This means you won't receive periodic payments, but you can make a profit by selling your shares at a higher price than you paid. You can also opt for a combination of both to diversify your portfolio. Finally, after selecting the option that best suits you, click the Continue button. Step 2. Selection of sectors and stocks. Once your investment profile is set up, it's time to choose the sectors you want to invest in. To do this, you must configure the filter panel located on the left side of the screen and select by clicking on the corresponding boxes, so the platform shows you all types of stocks or only common stocks, only ETFs, or both. Additionally, you can further filter by economic sector. If you are new to investing in the stock market, we recommend starting with ETFs. These funds diversify your investment by holding a group of stocks from multiple companies in a single sector. This helps reduce the concentration of large amounts of money in one particular company. If you want to invest in stocks, choose companies from multiple sectors to significantly reduce your risk. Remember to select at least 3 options to proceed by clicking Add within the box with the desired stock name. Then, click the Continue button again. Step 3. Personalize your portfolio. After selecting the stocks you want to invest in, it's time to personalize and configure your portfolio. First, enter the amount in dollars you plan to invest in your portfolio in the top left box. Next, you can select the analysis period for the chosen stocks. We recommend leaving the default period of 4 years. At the bottom, you can see the percentage allocation of each stock by default. B4NVEST evenly distributes your investment amounts across all securities. You can modify the amounts if you wish, but it is not necessary to continue. On the right side of the screen, you can visually see the percentage chart of the economic sectors you chose to invest in and a list of sectors you did not choose. Use this information to determine if your investment portfolio needs more sector diversification and which sectors you might have missed. If you want to add more stocks, you can do so by clicking Add located at the bottom left of the screen or by selecting the Back button to return to Step 2. Once you have finished configuring your portfolio, click the Continue button. Step 4. Final analysis and recommendations. Now that your portfolio is set up, B4NVEST will analyze the stocks you chose and determine the amount in dollars you should invest using the efficient Frontier algorithm to achieve the highest return on investment with the lowest possible risk. Here, you will see two investment portfolios with the same stocks. On the left side, our recommended portfolio, and on the right side, your selected portfolio. B4NVEST focuses on two main indicators: expected return and risk. If the risk is too high or the return is too low, consider adding new stocks from different sectors, adding ETFs, or choosing stocks from a specific sector that you believe will grow during your investment period. This section also shows the list of stocks you have chosen and the percentages and dollar amounts B4NVEST recommends investing in each security. Additionally, it provides further analysis of your investment portfolio regarding expected weekly and annual losses with 95% confidence and market volatility. If you have additional questions about any indicator, you can click the information icon next to the value for more details. To get additional information, click the Show Graphics button, which will display how your investment portfolio has been calculated compared to the S&P 500, how well diversified it is, and the thousands of possible combinations the efficient Frontier algorithm has made to show you the best investment option for you. Step 5. Save portfolio and create an account. To save your portfolio and start investing, you will need to create an account and log in to B4NVEST. If you don't have an account, it's time to register. To do so, click Create an Account, fill in the requested information, and verify your details. If you have any additional questions, do not understand a value or concept, or want advice or investment recommendations, you can use B4NVEST's virtual assistant, Ariana, powered by ChatGPT for technology. Access her by clicking the blue floating speech bubble icon located at the bottom right of the screen at any time during your navigation. Thank you for watching this tutorial and using B4NVEST. Keep trying different combinations of stocks and ETFs, and remember that past performance does not guarantee future returns 100%. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on other tutorials and platform updates.